Going in the candy shop. Let's go see what they have. No pets allowed. This is just stacked full of candy. I have no idea what this stuff is. Anybody ever seen this stuff? Dip mix. I don't know why this would be in the candy store, but dip mix, really. That looks like dip and seasoning mix. Okay. Look at this. Check out the wall of Pez. Huge. Look at Buzz Lightyear. A donut. This one's a question mark. Who knows what's in it? And then, yeah. I got some cool ones here. $5 for a mouse. It's a king size mouse, but still. Ouch. What else we got here? Yeah.
Wait, I just saw Nickel Caddy on YouTube.
Let's see what they got on this side over here. Interesting. We're going to bribe Jennifer with some jelly beans. I'm afraid to see how much these are.
Oh man, is this what you're looking for? No, this is what you're looking for.
Gotta find something that I can't get somewhere else, right?
Have you ever tried the high sunday? Oh, they're really good, yeah. Oh, they're fourth like the saggy one is really good. But
Jelly
this one
bellies.
is
Let's
like
Usually just has the normal flavor too.
see what we got over here. Rock candy. Oh, let's go saltwater taffy. I'm gonna go with saltwater taffy instead. Okay, I got what I need. So we got some saltwater taffy and some jelly beans. Let's go see how much they are.
That's a $7.91.
$7.91.
We'll reset and let you try again.
Oh yeah?
you want your receipt?
I don't need a receipt, thank you. The candy shop is on the southbound Highway 400, just outside of Orillia, Ontario, Canada. I'm pretty fussy about my candy. The jelly beans are exceptional. I love them. Very tasty. The saltwater taffy, the ones I liked, were awesome. The chocolate, there was one that looked like a birthday cake that was good. And the orange, green apple, anything watermelon. I don't like the fake flavors of those. So I didn't really enjoy those too much. But the chocolate and the orange and the purple, I think it was grape, was really good. Please like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get all the new videos. We will bring you something new soon from one of our camping trips. We'll see you soon.